Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to earn an associate's degree in 3 months or less with a process that I call degree hacking. And I know it sounds crazy, and I know some people might think, well, you can't learn anything in 3 months. There's no way you can get a 2-year degree in 3 months or less. That is false. We do a lot of self-study. We bypass a lot of the school's systems and lectures and homework assignments and the stuff that they generally lay out in front of us. And we learn using modern resources, and we can go get degrees really, really quickly. This video is about associate's degrees, but you can earn bachelor's degrees just as quickly, and you can earn master's degrees in just a couple of months as well. So the concepts still apply. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is which schools actually allow this, because one of the keys to being able to do this is to find schools that are fully self-paced and do not cap how many credits you can earn in an allotted amount of time or a single semester. You want schools that will literally say, yep, you can go get your entire degree in just one semester if you can do the work and prove that you've gained the knowledge. Another thing we look for is what are called competency-based education programs, which essentially means if you prove to the school you've learned the material, they'll give you credit, even if you've skipped the homework and the lectures and the classroom time. They'll still give you credit. And the cool thing about that, and we're going to talk about this in just a minute, is you can self-study even if you have no previous knowledge. We're going to talk about a process I call going rogue, where you're going to skip the school's resources and you're going to learn using modern resources. Let's dive into some school programs that are actually going to allow you to do this. Now, the first one I want to show you is called the University of Wisconsin Flexible Option Programs. Now, most people have heard of the University of Wisconsin. It's a great school. They have these flex programs, and as you can see here, associate's degrees, they have right here this Associate of Arts and Science. If you dive a little bit deeper, you can look into curriculum, you can look at tuition, you can see they charge you a subscription period for 12 weeks of school. So you're going to pay $2,200 for 12 weeks of school, and government grants can pay for that as well. But literally, you can earn as many credits as you can in 12 weeks. You can go through admission requirements, but basically, this is a fully 100% online program, and you can go as fast as you humanly or possibly can to earn this degree. Another one is offered by Southern New Hampshire University. Now, SNHU, it's just kind of like your average online college degree program, which works for a lot of people. Their most popular option for accelerating is to use their really friendly standards for transfer credits. So what students will do is they will go get a bunch of transfer credits outside the school. They'll transfer in up to 90, and then they'll go do like a year at SNHU to earn a bachelor's degree, like 3 years through random outside resources, a year at the school. The thing I don't like about that is then you have to be a traditional student for a year. I don't want to be a traditional student for a year. Why don't we do this self-paced and go do it faster? Well, they have these not very well known, they don't really market this, but they have what are called these community partnerships. And they used to offer these competency-based education programs just through their mainstream school, but now they only offer these through what are called their community partnerships. So you're still getting a degree from SNHU, but you're actually enrolling through a partner. But the degrees from SNHU, it's a little bit funky, it's a little bit weird, but if we scroll down here, here is how it works. You can choose a degree, and as you can see, they have 2 associate's degrees. They have a general studies AA degree, and they have a healthcare management AA degree. If we scroll down here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of these locations, and you don't have to live in these states because most of it's online. But what I would do is probably you can price shop because they're all going to charge different prices, which is also kind of weird. But you're going to choose one of these programs, and it's essentially like a tutoring service, but you enroll in the degree through them, and they help you. They give you extra help earning the degree, and it's fully self-paced. So you go pick one of these, and then you can get into their self-paced programs. I don't love the extra layer of enrollment, but it does give you access to 2 more associate's degrees that are fully self-paced. Now, the next school I want to show you is the University of Maine at Presque Isle, or UMPI, or UMPI, whatever you want to call it. I just call it UMPI. They have what are called these YourPace programs. Now, if I'm looking for speed, I just want an associate's degree and I just want it fast. I've shown you two other schools. These ones are going to be faster. So for associate's degrees, this would probably be my top pick, but we'll go into their academic programs. And as you can see, they have these filters where you can choose area of study, or you can just scroll through all their degrees here, or you can go program types. What I'm going to do is go to program types and choose their AA degrees and just filter for associate's degrees. And as you can see, they have a criminal justice program, and then they have this liberal studies program. Criminal justice, it's kind of a cool degree, and it's fully self-paced. Liberal studies is one of those degrees where if you're like, my employer promised me a promotion if I just have a degree, I've earned half of my degree already, you can sometimes just transfer it into this program here, like a bunch of past earned credits, and like almost walk away with a degree just from transferring those in. So this liberal studies is probably the fastest of the bunch because they're really friendly with transfer credits. Now, having shown you 3 different schools, 5 different associate's degrees that can be earned self-paced really, really quickly. The bad news is these are the only fully self-paced programs for at the associate's level that I know of. And that's kind of a bummer. The good news is there are a ton of bachelor's degrees, and I'm going to show you how to actually earn these associate's degrees faster. But there are a bunch of bachelor's degrees to choose from that give you just way more options. And I've helped students earn bachelor's degrees, 4 years of school, in 3 months, which is pretty crazy, right? But if one of these associate's degrees doesn't work for you, my general recommendation, skip the associate's degree. Just go straight for the bachelor's degree and get the 4-year degree in months instead of years. It's so fast and you have more options at the bachelor's level that I get that this sounds crazy, but I have students oftentimes earn full 4-year degrees faster than I see students earn these 2-year degrees simply because of limited program options. It's not like there's less classes at the bachelor's level. There's not. There are more classes, but because of limited options, sometimes you need the bachelor's level quicker. So if you want to open up the door to more schools, Western Governors University is great. They only have bachelor's degrees, but they have tons. Purdue University Global has what are called their Excel Track programs. They do have a 12-month cap on you can't get a degree faster than 12 months now, but without transfer credits at least, but it's still a great school. And University of Massachusetts Global, they have really fast degree options as well, but they only have bachelor's degrees. Now, here's the thing. There are tons of schools that will allow you to do this. You just need to find the right program that's a good fit for you. And I highly suggest what are called flat rate tuition programs, which essentially means you're paying a flat price for each semester instead of paying per credit. What you don't want to do is go do 2 years or 4 years of school and then have to pay per credit. So you're paying for 2 years or 4 years of school, even though you did it in a couple of months. What you want is that flat rate, pay this amount for 1 semester, go get your degree in 1 semester, and walk away with a degree spending far, far less. Now, here's the big catch, and I'm going to walk you through how to actually do this faster. The catch is schools don't want you to graduate faster. They are businesses. They're not going to sit down and say, hey, let's help you do this in 3 months or 4 months or 5 months or 6 months, because they make less money when you do it faster. But that doesn't mean the curriculum actually takes you that long to learn. We can learn really, really quickly. So here is the big concept that I would try to just reach through the computer screen and say, please learn this one thing. I call this concept going rogue. And essentially what that means is when you find these self-paced programs, instead of using their tools, the homework and the textbooks and the lesson plans and the study guides and the quizzes and all the things that we've always hated about school, skip their resources and use modern resources. So go rogue, leave the school's realm of education, figure out what you need to learn, and then go and learn it with modern tools, with YouTube videos and AI and Google search. And like we have information at our fingertips at all times. Why can't we use those resources to earn college degrees or to gain the knowledge that we need for college degrees? And the answer is you can, which is really, really cool. So my big thing is I want to tell you, you can learn what you need to learn much faster than how quickly schools are teaching you those things. And a common misconception is, Well, you can't learn what I learned in 4 years in just a couple of months. And my argument is that yes, you can. I want to talk about what's called the bar exam paradox. If you've ever heard of the bar exam, it's the exam you have to pass to become a lawyer. And it's very commonly known as more challenging than an entire master's degree. Well, a master's degree generally takes 2 years to earn, but the bar exam on average takes 8 to 12 weeks of solid study for students to go and prep for the bar exam. So if it's harder or more challenging than an entire 2-year degree, how in the world can you go past this exam with 8 to 12 weeks of study? Well, it's because students know ahead of time exactly what they need to learn, and they can self-study and learn those things on your own. You can learn really, really quickly, and then you can go faster. So we're kind of applying that concept to full college degrees. We're figuring out what we need to learn. We're self-studying using modern tools, and then we're getting these degrees more quickly. It's really, really cool. You can do this for so many different degree programs. Obviously, you can't hack medical school or surgical training, but you can hack the undergrad degrees before you get to that level. You can't hack law school, but you can hack the undergrad degrees before you get to that level. Or let's say you want to study something like business. You can hack all the way through business school. I just helped a student earn an entire business degree, bachelor's level, in 4 months, and then the MBA in an additional 2 months. So 6 months for 6 years of school is really crazy, but it's all about going rogue and self-study. Now, if this is something you're interested in, I'm going to leave a link to some resources down below. I teach students and help students do this all the time. Feel free to use those resources and to learn more about how you can get my help as well. I hope this video has added value to your day. Like, subscribe, use those resources down below. I'll talk to you in the next video.